Hello! Welcome to Matsuri kids channel. We introduce Japanese culture, home cooking, and more through our life in Japan. In this time, we're going to show you easy, delicious Japanese dish, Monjayaki, from our dinner. Please enjoy! Do you know Monjayaki? It's a light meal similar to okonomiyaki. But Monjayaki uses more water than okonomiyaki and is made differently. When making okonomiyaki at home, we make it on a griddle. You can grill it yourself, so kids will also enjoy eating it. First, mix the ingredients in the bowl and place on top of the griddle, but keep the butter aside to pour over later. Form the cabbage and other ingredients into a large donut shape and pour the butter in the middle. Pour in a little and several times while mixing. You can choose seafood such as shrimp, squid, scallop, and mochi, cheese, dried noodles, and other ingredients for Monjayaki. In this time, we added cold roll and mochi.
めっちゃうまそう。チーズって何入れてんの？
チーズって最後。
もんじゃってこうやるの？
When the butter starts to solidify, mix all the ingredients together and flatten. It's delicious with lots of cheese. Finally, sprinkle some green seaweed on top. When the cheese melts, it's ready to eat. It should be eaten when the bottom has browned and the surface is still soft. Use this small spatula to eat it. Do not use a spatula to scoop. You should press the butter down and cook, then flip it over. In this way, you can easily get deliciously cooked Monjayaki. Next, we will make dried noodles Monjayaki. The recipe is the same as the first one, but this time we will change the toppings to cook a different flavor of Monjayaki. These dried noodles are called baby star ramen, a long-standing popular snack in Japan. Baby star ramen has a chicken stock flavor and goes great with Monjayaki.
あー、開けないね。大量のベビースターにするか。
イエーイ。もうジャリジャリやん。ジャリジャリっていうか。
ジャリジャリもんじ
ジャリジャリもんじ
ゃ。すごいね。いい。
やばいね。そこに。あれや。やば。欲しい。ちょっとこれだ。この焦げ。これ。美味しい。しないでしてんてんな。パパ、ちょっとだ。美味しい。
これね。
焼いて焼いて焼いて焼いて焼いて焼いて
つけてね、この縁のところに。